So if you saw the tune-up to this Kaiser CBX40, an unusual hand portable from 1981, you'll see that we've done a tune-up on it and it's working fine. And the mystery deviation control was eventually found. So we've got enough sockets to run this as a base station. We've got the earphone sockets, we're going to plug the extension speaker in. It's got a charger socket, it's got external power, it's a 12 volt radio. We can switch the display on, pretty similar to the way the Realistic works with a little push button. And we'll go to Mega Chippie channel. Got high low power. I've set low power for 400 milliwatts, which is where we'd expect it to be. But high power on these sets, this one's 1.25 watts. So these say on the box are a 4 watt radio, but that was bull. It's 4 watts power input. The output transistor on these isn't even capable of more than 2 watts. There's absolutely no possibility that you would ever be able to get, with the best arrangement in the world, more than about 1.6 watts out of one. I think we've had 1.5 on one in the past. But it doesn't mind, this is a bad example. I'm running it spot on 12 volts. And without the instruction book or anything, I don't know what's its maximum voltage. So 12 volts is where we're going to do it. So we're going to do on the air test. We're running just under 1.5 watts. We'll see what Mr. Chippie has to say about that. We're plugged into the BNC socket into the roof aerial, as you'd expect. Oh, it's got a little meter, which is an S meter as well, and it works backwards, so maximum is to the left. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Roger, just checking you there, and I'll plug my socket, my speaker in.
Yep, roger that. Let me know when you're ready.
Alright, load of wires coming out of it in a moment. Tango 21, now ready.
Yep, roger that. Off we go.
Roger.
Right, we're passing the house and recording.
Roger on that. I'm going to have some fun with you.
Really? Right, okay. Any tone controls?
Negative, it's a walkie-talkie.
Roger.
It's got a call tone on the side which goes beep, 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 beep.
Right, coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger, got you at the end of the lane.
If you spoke then, you spoke while it was beeping. I have no idea what you said.
Oh, I pressed them both together like a wally. Roger on that, Mr. Chippie.
Roger that.
Right, coming up to the end of the line. If you spoke then, you spoke while it was beeping. I have no idea what you said.
Oh, press them both together like a wally. Roger on that, Mr. Chippie.
Roger that. Right, we're now passing Ancaster service station and it's closed.
We're not even late.
There you go. Right, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger got you going to Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger. Top of the hill, let's go down in towards Wilsford.
Roger got you to the top of the hill, and I'm on that adapter which didn't work on something else.
Roger, seems to be working with this.
Roger, Dodger.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilson. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on a
Kaiser CBX40 hand portable from 1981. It's doing 1.25 watts over.
Yep, roger that, all received.
Excellent.
Alright, we're now going over Wilsford Level Crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford level crossing.
Right, we're now passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. Right, we're now passing the Grayleys turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Grayleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. Just making sure you can still copy me.
Yeah, it's fine. Didn't know any better. I'd say we're in a 4 watt, sir.
Just goes to show how it's well planned. Right, so I'm on this Kaiser CBX40 from 1981, and it's doing 1.25 watts, and it's drawing 500 milliamps. Now I've set the low power for 400 milliwatts as usual. It's going to go to low power now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, low power, and we're now drawing 300 milliamps, sorry, and we're going to now go back to full power, and there we are back at full power, 1.25 watts over.
Yeah, Roger, there wasn't a lot in that. You're well received on both.
You know what, I think the fact that the BNC socket on the top of this has made all the difference. Over.
Yeah, Roger that.
Right, off you go when you're ready.
I will do. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, Dodger.
Chippie, now going over Rossby level crossing. Yeah, you probably asked about petrol, so 142.9 and 153.9 for diesel.
I didn't think you'd get me going past the petrol station on this one. So that concludes the test and it worked very well over.
Yeah, Roger. It was slightly worse than normal, but not by much.
Well, there you go, for 140 watts. That's great, thank you, Tango.
Roger that, 1010.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, now going over Rossby level crossing.
Roger, got you going over Rossby level crossing. Have you got a petrol price for me at that end, please, over?
Yeah, you probably asked about petrol, so 142.9 and 153.9 for diesel.
I didn't think you'd get me going past the petrol station on this one. Well, that concludes the test and it worked very well, over.
Yeah, Roger. It was slightly worse than normal, but not by much.
Well, there you go, for 1¼ watts. That's great, thank you, 1010.
Do that, 1010.
Right, so that worked very well. So it does annoy me that these things were sold with 4 watts on the box when they're not. And that just is one of those things that gets me. Anyway, we'll go over to our base station, we'll see what it sounds like. I mean, when we looked inside at the speech processing, I would think it sounds pretty good. So here we go over to Midland 76900 base station.
Tango 21, testing the Kaiser CBX40 into our Midland base station. And let's see how it works on low power. Here we're on high power, testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and here we go to low power. There we're on 400 milliwatts. And I'll go back to full power, and there we are back on full power. So there is a hum test. So thanks for watching, and I think we have got a 6-channel one of these. We've got an audio line 341, and we're still battling on with the EM27, and that'll be long term, and not so long term the CB1100 strange set.